This cat, which seems to be angry and angry, is the cutest cat in the world. Pallas cat looks like a giant, but it's actually a deception. Pallas cats are actually smaller than a normal cat. But to survive in the cold mountains, they have a fur coat twice the size of their body. Thus, thanks to its fur, it is both protected from the cold and makes it look bigger than its enemies when it fluffs its fur. He also looks angry and like he's about to attack because of his fur. Because the white hairs around the eyes and the lines on his cheeks make him look like he is looking hard.